Hi, this week we're going to keep working on our Zentangles and our Zen Doodles and keep trying to make some different ones. I would like you to try drawing 20 minutes a day and create beautiful compositions. So you're going to start with using a combination of what we learned last week. So what you are to do is to draw, okay? Make a Zentangle and combine it with what we've learned last week. We have the Zentngle how-to for this week. Today we are going to do a tangle, and actually you could do, maybe we'll do Tuesday as well. I was thinking all week, but we'll break it down. Okay, so today, draw a squiggly line, and it can be jagged, it can go however you'd like, okay? And then you're going to add into that. So then you're going to fill those spaces. See how it has spaces in here? You're going to fill those with different patterns using your checkerboard, herringbone. What else we got here? We got the line patterns, we've got arrowheads and triangles and patterns in nature, and add some of your own. So this one's really getting fun with some of their own patterns. So you're going to start adding those in and doing thick lines, thin lines, skinny lines, curly lines, and letting the patterns flow in and out of one another. Okay, so then try adding text in it if you'd like. So it says BAM right there and an exclamation point. Be creative, have fun, use a pencil to add value. So if you add some darker areas, the darker areas appear to go back in space. Lighter areas appear to come forward. All right, so let's begin. I'm going to get out my sketchbook and my Sharpie, but whatever you have available. If you just have paper, the back of paper, lined paper is fine. Use the lines to help you make checkerboards and things. So I'm going to just start with doing my lines. Okay, so I'm going to do mine curly, but maybe we add some jagged lines in as you go. The first thing I might do is I'm loving my wood grain, so I might put some wood grain type lines even within this. So if I use that kind of just a line drawing, it's so fun to do. And then flow that off and then keep going. So I'm creating a section that has it. So to do the wood grain effect, but I'm going to do it a little different. I'm going to do a spiral that goes right off the page. Okay, so then I have to go around the spiral. And this one, it's going to go right along the edge. And I can only go out here once, so I'm going to keep drawing those lines. Nice. Up here and right off the page. One more. Great. Now I'm going to fill in my circle there, and I think I'm going to do kind of that curved checkerboard. I'm going to pick one side of it, the weaving. So I'm going to weave through here. So I'm going to do the curved checkerboard, and then I'm going to weave it. Let's do a dot, dot, dot. The dot continues on this way. It'll make a diagonal after playing checkers, and it'll go diagonally this way as well. Oh, I did the wrong one. It's okay. It goes here. No! Oh my gosh, I'm messing up my design. Maybe I'll just fill it in polka dots. And that's okay too. It actually looks kind of neat filled in with polka dots. So there we go. You can do a little bit of herringbone on here. Herringbone's diagonal lines that alternate. In case you were still confused on that. Join us for our now live art classes on Tuesdays. During your class period, I'm making them a half an hour, and they're going to be at 8:30 or 9:30. So join us for those. Had a couple of students join me today. If you need help getting on, let me know. I put it in your calendar invite, a link to the WebEx. You should be able to just copy that or click on it and put it right in your browser. So that looks neat so far. All right, so let's think about one of the other things we've done. So we did some of the checkerboard, we did some line, we did some herringbone. Maybe we're going to do triangles just within one of these areas. Maybe I'll do it within this one. So I'm going to start using the arrowhead triangle method. Making triangles across. And I'll close it off there. And then combining others inside. Keep overlapping them, changing where they begin and start. It's like a moth that's going to eat something. Nice. Now let's do the lines. Let's see if we do smaller ones inside of these big ones. Okay. And here. I'm going to do one more round of those. And then I'm going to do the lines that go, so these go this direction. Trying out the lined triangles here. Follow the first line, connector. That's the direction that your other lines go in. You can make it any way you want, but if you need ideas, this is what I'm here for. People walking in the back desert, and some of my dogs barking at them. And then these go horizontal, or a different direction than what you've already done. Now, if we do darker in the middle and fill some of these in, it'll look further away. I'm going to fill in the center. And then what I might do is maybe this needs some of this way and this way. I need something here, some of the black lines. Okay, so we did some of the triangles, arrowheads. You can, let's keep filling these in. This way, and this way, this way. Okay, nice. Do this one. Looks pretty good. Oh, I missed one here. Cool. So we've got that pattern. Now let's pick a different one for in here. And then we could do that like the arcs and things. Maybe I'll fill some in with ovals. I might do some more of this pattern over here. Let's see, what if I do like Morse code kind of things? Dot, line, dot. Pick patterns. Think back to kindergarten. They kind of stop us after that. Life is full of patterns. one more here. Line, dot, line. Nice. All right, so you just keep filling it with patterns. I'm going to do speed mode.